Okay, welcome to number 4 in the light and matter section about spectra. So starting off with absorption spectra, but what we've got first on the screen is a continuous spectrum. Continuous spectrum just means the full optical spectrum that we get from a light source. So this is just a full optical spectrum. And it's only optical because that's the bits we're looking at right now. So what we've got in the next picture is, as it says in the heading, an absorption spectrum. So that's when we actually shine the light through the gas, and what we're left with is a series of lines that are missing. So we still have the spectrum, but minus some very sharp lines. So some frequencies have been removed. So move that up so you can see. So some frequencies have been removed in an absorption spectrum. Let's move on to the other half, an emission spectrum. So, going back, absorption spectrum means that we've got a full light source going through a substance, and on the other side, not all of the light gets through. In an emission spectrum, we would take the same gas because these ones match. So, we heat the gas, and only some frequencies are released. And they match the missing ones from the absorption spectrum. Spectrum. Now, in the emission spectrum, the energy of the photons released. Alright, I'll let that get off the screen a bit. So the energy of the photon released are given by, nothing new, delta E equals HF, so exactly the same as before, or HC on lambda. And none of this is meant to be very new, and it should all be tying together as we go from little piece to little piece. And that's all we want to do for new bits for number 4.